Libra, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is everything turns to light. Nothing is happening to you. Everything is happening for you. Building your strength, your wisdom, so you can become stronger, and therefore blessings come with their own weight. You become stronger and wiser, therefore you can maintain and actually receive bigger blessings. That mansion, those acres of land, the manifestations you're really looking for. So we say on this page, when everything turns to light, put fingerprints, blueprints, footprints, fingerprints, blueprints, DNA. Make sure you put paw prints. Write a timeline to meet deadlines on everything. If it comes into your mind, work on bringing it to light, because it's only going to work for your own good. I work to improve myself, embrace all that life brings me, and transform darkness into light, and allow myself to grow and become stronger. Go get your blessings. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.